The seat in this budget Lexus that I just bought looks terrible, but by the end of this video, it's gonna look awesome. Let's go. You wanna start in the back, so I'm gonna move the seat forward, then we'll get those bolts out. Okay, now the front. Okay, now we can just tip the seat back and we can access these electrical connectors here. There we go. Let's have a look underneath this thing. Piece of elastic here just looped over that little hook. That's easy enough. Oh, wow, I got 35 cents. There we go. Now I can grab it up here. This is what came around from the back. Right there. Now we've got that ready to go. I think I can just kind of pull the rest of this. It should come up here. Just gonna kind of peel this up and wiggle it out. We're up to almost $1. Sweet. This is what we have to deal with now. These seams aren't just there for looks. Inside here, we can get that peeled off of the foam. Down inside the foam, more hog rings. Got to cut those off. Something I'm starting to notice is the smell. You know what it smells like? Like a gym sock. Remember gym class? You have to go in there and change that smell. Very similar. Not gonna lie, this is kind of the worst part of the job. Let's see what this new cover is gonna look like. Okay, there's the new hog rings. Looks like we've got just this plastic ribbing here instead of that metal that we had on the old cover. So I think the hog ring is gonna go through this fabric here and around this rib. And I got these hog ring pliers. There's a spring on there that's gonna help me hold the hog ring in place. Put it right there in the pliers. So that goes right down there in the groove. Now I should be just able to push this down in and around this cloth, hook it right where it goes. You see these little notches? That's where I'm aiming. All right, cool. Worked pretty good. It's gonna take me a minute to kind of get the feel for it. I'm not an upholsterer, and this is the first time I've used these hog ring pliers. I actually bought them for this job. They're a bit overkill. These are about 50 bucks. You can you can find much cheaper ones out there on Amazon or whatever. I'm kind of a Knipex fan myself. As I was going around the seat, I was making a lot of mistakes, going through hog rings, and I was missing. But now I think I've got sort of the hang of it. You gotta aim for where you're going, put your hog ring straight down in there, and you wanna go deep. This is where I was making most of my mistakes, is I wasn't going down deep enough before I started clamping it. And yep, there I go again. See that? The bar that I want to get to is down here, and the hog ring didn't quite make it. But I'm having a lot of fun. I get to use a brand new tool that I thought I would never use, hog ring pliers. They kind of intimidated me, but I decided to do it, and I'm glad I did. This job is not that difficult, and it's really pretty fun. Let's see if I got it. Oh yeah, first try. Let's put this thing down over the foam here. And you heard me talk about what this smelled like before. This new leather cover smells great compared to that old one. This thing, man, can you imagine doing the whole car like that? Getting this brand new leather upholstery in there, car looking good, smelling good. Man, how awesome. Look at that. I want to give a shout out to these folks. The Seat Shop. This is where I bought it. They don't know who I am or anything. I'm just a customer. But look at that. Made in Texas. This is so cool. You order something online and it's high quality craftsmanship. Go to their YouTube channel, The Seat Shop, if you want to know how to do this step by step. That's a good place to go. And you really, really got to stretch it and work it. Did you hear that? That little click right here? You can feel it with your fingers back in there. That little channel is clipping both sides of the metal frame. Yeah, so there's no metal or plastic in here, but there is a piece of metal on this old seat cover. Oh yeah, it just slides in. They give you plenty of extras. I think they figure, you know, a bunch of DIY type amateurs are gonna be doing this, like me. And so they give you probably twice as many hog rings as you need, and that's good. I definitely made my fair share of mistakes. I reused a couple of those hog rings because I didn't know how many I was gonna need. And so I was conservative there, but there you go, see that? Screwed that one up. But man, when you get this right, just like that, such a satisfying feeling using a tool and a method you've never done before, but it's on there and it worked, and the sun is shining and birds are singing, all to tell you what a great job you've done. Now check this out. It looks so awesome. I've already had a seat in it and it's super comfortable, plush, a lot better than it used to be. This seat looks great. I've done a lot to this budget Lexus to get it looking better, including this dashboard. You can watch how I turned it from terrible to awesome with just 3 hours worth of work. You can click on the video and I will see you there.